When it comes to protecting your home, security is always a top priority. In a city like Austin, where both the bustling downtown area and suburban neighborhoods have their unique security concerns, ensuring that your home is well secured is essential. One often overlooked factor in home security is the quality of your windows and the installation process. High-quality window installation plays a significant role in securing your home, providing both physical protection and peace of mind. Here's how investing in professional window installation can enhance your home's security in Austin. Stronger, more durable material. One of the most important aspects of window security is the material used in the window construction. When you opt for quality window installation, you're not just getting new windows, you're choosing windows made from durable, high-quality materials that enhance the security of your home. Modern window materials, such as fiberglass, vinyl, and impact-resistant glass, are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, as well as provide an added layer of protection against potential break-ins. Windows with impact-resistant glass are particularly beneficial for homes in Austin, where unpredictable weather like hailstorms and strong winds can damage older, weaker windows. These windows are engineered to resist breaking and can endure a greater amount of force, making them more difficult for intruders to penetrate. Choosing high-quality window materials ensures that your windows provide long-term durability and enhanced protection. Advanced locking mechanisms for added safety. Windows with advanced locking mechanisms are one of the best ways to prevent unauthorized access to your home. Outdated windows often come with basic locks that are easy to tamper with or break. However, professional window installation allows you to upgrade to windows with multi-point locking systems, keyed locks, and reinforced sashes, all of which make it significantly harder for burglars to gain access. In Austin, where homes can be close to busy streets or even isolated areas, enhanced locks provide that extra level of security. High-quality windows often feature locks that secure the window at multiple points, making it more difficult to break into a home, especially in areas where windows are a common entry point for burglars. When you opt for professional window installation, you get windows that include these high security features, protecting your home from break-ins. Tight seals prevent easy access. Proper window installation is crucial for ensuring that windows are sealed tightly and securely. Over time, improperly sealed or poorly installed windows can develop gaps or cracks that make it easier for burglars to access your home. Gaps around the window frame can also let in air, moisture, and insects, causing drafts and damage to your home. Quality window installation eliminates these issues by ensuring that your windows are properly sealed. A tightly sealed window prevents easy access for burglars and helps to keep your home more energy efficient. Moreover, tight seals prevent the buildup of moisture that can weaken window frames and make them easier to break through. By hiring professional installers, you can rest assured that your windows are secure and airtight, which contributes to the overall safety of your home. Increased visibility for better surveillance. One often overlooked benefit of replacing older windows is the increased visibility that new, clearer, and more durable windows offer. Old, scratched, or foggy windows can obscure your view of the outside, making it difficult to monitor the surrounding area for suspicious activity. If you have poor visibility, it becomes harder to keep an eye on your property, and burglars may take advantage of your inability to see what's happening outside. Modern windows, especially clear, double-glazed windows, allow for better visibility and light, which improves your ability to observe your property. Additionally, windows that are properly installed can be equipped with features like safety glass or reflective glass, which prevent burglars from seeing inside your home while still allowing you to have a clear view of the outside. This enhanced visibility can be particularly important for security, as it enables you to spot potential threats or criminal activity before it escalates. Deterrence of break-in. Quality window installation not only enhances the physical security of your windows but also serves as a visual deterrent to potential burglars. Windows with stronger materials, advanced locks, and impact-resistant glass make it clear that your home is not an easy target. Burglars are more likely to target homes with easy access points or windows that appear vulnerable. By investing in high-quality windows and professional installation, you're sending a message that your home is well protected and harder to break into. Windows that are properly secured and made from durable materials significantly reduce the likelihood of a break-in, as criminals tend to move on to easier targets. In Austin, where crime can be an issue in certain areas, quality windows act as a strong deterrent against would-be burglars. Increased property value. Aside from enhancing security, quality window installation can also increase the overall value of your home. Homebuyers appreciate properties that are equipped with high-quality, secure windows, knowing that they provide long-term durability, energy efficiency, and protection. Replacing your windows with modern, secure ones can make your home more appealing to potential buyers, giving it a competitive edge in Austin's real estate market. In addition to security, homeowners are also looking for homes that have lower maintenance costs. High-quality windows that are professionally installed require less upkeep, ensuring that your home stays in top condition for years to come. By investing in high-quality window installation, you not only protect your home but also boost its value and appeal for the future. Final thoughts. When it comes to safeguarding your home, window installation in Austin is a crucial investment. By choosing high-quality windows and professional installation, you can enhance your home's security, improve energy efficiency, and protect your property from potential threats. From stronger materials and advanced locks to better seals and increased visibility, quality windows provide numerous benefits that contribute to your home's long-term safety and durability. If you're considering upgrading your windows, working with a professional installer ensures that you get the best security features available, keeping your home safe and secure for years to come.